Welcome to Pebbles channel. Today I am going to teach you Hindi through simple English. Okay, everyone thinks that Hindi is a difficult language, but it is so easy to learn and speak. I will teach you in a simple manner that you can easily speak and talk with everyone. Okay, for that we have to learn the first basics. Okay, for that we have to learn the basics. Then only we can easily speak and talk to everyone in Hindi. Okay, so every language has basics, then only we can speak. Okay, for that in Hindi we are having swar and vyanjan. Okay, swar and vyanjan. Okay, in English we call it as vowels and consonants. Okay, that is why vowels is called as swar, consonants called as vyanjan. Okay, shall we learn? Okay, swar, swar, that is vowels. Okay, swar, that is vowels. First basics in English. Okay, first basics in English. For that we have to learn some letters. Then only we can read the sentences, otherwise paragraph, etc., etc. Okay, the first letter is A. The first letter is A. That is in pronunciation writing as A. Okay, writing as A. A. Okay, A. The next one is A. The next one is A. The same manner we have to write, but we have to put another line in this. But we have to put another line in this, that is A. Okay, A. The second one is E. The second one is E. Simple. Simply doing S. S only. Okay, we have to put horizontal line here. Then it is called as E. And the third. And the fourth one is E. The fourth one is E. That is, we can write it as simply as E. We have to put a curve like this. Like this we have to write. But the difference in this is E. This one is E. Okay, this one is E. Okay, the next one is U. U. That is simply 3. Simply 3. Okay, that is simply 3. That is U. The next one is U. The next one is U. We have to write 3. Then in between this we have to put a curve. We have to put a curve, that is called U. Okay, see, A, E, U. Okay, pronounce, we have to pronounce like this. U. Okay, the next one is Re. The next one is Re. The next one is Re. This is Re. Okay, this is Re. Okay, the next letter is A. The next letter is A. We have to write like this. This is A. Next one is I. The next one is I. Same. We have to put a question mark here. Question mark like this. Okay. And join this. This is I. Next one is O. Next one is O. The next one is O. The next one is Ow. Ow. The next one is Ow. The next Next one is The next one is Aha. Okay. We can easily follow the letters right above the letters. Above these letters. Okay. Above these letters. We can see this here. See, A means A. Second one is A. Second one is A. The third one is E. Simply in a short sound. Okay, simply in a short sound. A, E. This is a long sound. Okay, long sound. E. This one is oo. Next one is oo. Okay, this is re. Here this is I. Okay, this is I. This one is, sorry, this one is A, and this one is I, and this one is ow. This one is O, ow, aha. Okay, we can easily follow the above English letters. We can speak. Okay, we can pronounce. Okay, these are the vowels in Hindi. Okay, these are the vowels in Hindi. That is a, e, u, re, a, I, o, ow, aha. Okay, we can use these letters in a starting words. Okay, but we cannot use these letters. Okay, we cannot use these letters in a starting letters. Okay, we can use these letters angur. Okay, imli, eek, ullu, like this. Okay, rishi, sariya, ainak. Okay, okay, but we cannot use the starting. We cannot use these letters. Okay.